What's your name?
Ishan,
Ishan.
di Mahal.
So they invited us to this place. I think they just renovated, and on Google it was like 4.3 stars. And so excited to try this. So it's located at Kampong Glam, and yeah, and we are greeted by this drink.
It's mint juice. Let's try whether is it nice. It's really very nice. So this is Lavash bread, and it's supposed to be like you take a few and you dip inside this hummus spread that we have made for us. So let's give it a try. But it's still hot.
All fish.
Do you see the smoke? So this has olive oil, as you can see, has mint and paprika, spices, and I eat it. So good, really good.
So hummus, right, is made from
Chickpeas.
this hummus. This is made from chickpeas, and you just grind it and then put with olive oil. So it's suitable for vegetarians.
And vegans.
Yeah, and for vegans as well. And yeah, if you have nothing to try in a Middle Eastern restaurant, just try hummus.
Like thick, clear consistency and different spices, which I like, and it's really flavorful, which you don't get to try it. I mean, I've made hummus on my own, but this is really very good, super good.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. This is lamb.
So this is like lamb biryani, I think, because there's a biryani rice here. This looks like a lamb shank. Yeah. Then chilli.
Wow, smoky.
So what's this?
This is lamb shank with basmati rice. It's very fragrant. The meat is very tender. Very, very, very nice. Well spiced. See? It's like easily torn apart.
So a piece of lamb. Oh my gosh, it just melt in my mouth. So the rice. Yeah, the rice is very fragrant, very well seasoned as well. It's like a flavor bomb in your mouth. How you find the food so far?
So good. Very good. I'm eating a plate until it's clean.
I thought the food just ended from because the previous one was like so much. And now they give this.
Wow. It's like chicken skewer with basmati rice again, and the same chili, which is so good, and with crackles. And some vegetables, like super awesome. It's called chicken tawook. The chicken looks juicy. It's well seasoned, it's juicy, it's not dry, and they grill it very well.
Too bad nothing for you. Oh my god.
Right flavor hits you.
The chicken is so tender. And yeah, well seasoned with the spice and everything. It's like super good.
It's not dry, like ridiculously good.
Guess what? So this is the kunafa.
This one, you must put like that. This is kunafa. Yes, Arabic dessert. Very nice. Inside have cheese.
Outside is pistachio, right?
No, cheese.
Cheese is inside.
Inside.
But outside is
Pistachio, yeah.
And then what's the
This is the cream milk.
cream? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can. Thank you. So I'll.
How does it taste like?
Savory, and then the milk is sweet, so you get a balance of sweetness and salty because the savory comes from the cheese. Yum. So why should you come here? 3 things. 1. Food is so good. The meat is so juicy, tender, and full of spice and flavor. 2. The ambience. You know, ambience is number 1 in our list. And 3. It is the staff. The staff are so friendly, and you really will get to meet them, and they will remember you. Come, it's at Kampong Glam.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, Unconventional Passions, and do support this Middle Eastern restaurant called The Mahal. They have Egyptian food, Turkish food, and also Indian food. And hope you enjoy this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. And see you on the next video. Hey guys, signing up from Kampong Glam, and we had a great dinner. And thanks to The Mahal again, and good food and good stuff and good environment. So do subscribe to my channel, Unconventional Passions, and thank you for watching. Peace out. God bless you.